I'm Frank Johnson, coordinator of the William Dwight Jr. Writing Center, and I just want to talk to you a little bit today about the scholarships that are available through the HCC Foundation. I want to start with two words. First word is money. There's $200,000 worth of scholarship money that's available to all HCC students. Now, the second word, the four-letter word, is free. All this money is free. This is not a loan. This is money for you that you do not have to pay back. But you do need to apply. Now you gotta do a little bit of work, come on. The entire application process takes about 20 minutes online. It's not a hard thing to fill out. You can start it, save it, and come back to it later. The other part of the application that takes a little bit more time is the scholarship application essay. This is a personal essay, and because it's an autobiographical piece, it's something that you want to start early and think about and share with other people. People who you know and people who you don't know. Those who know you will be able to say, hey, you forgot this or you forgot that. Someone like me who doesn't know you at all will start asking questions and make you think about things that you may never have thought about before. Since it's only 250 to 500 words, these essays need to be tight, need to be compact, and it's something that you want to really think hard about. There are three core elements to the essay that you want to keep in mind that you build the entire essay from. Number one, be sure to focus on your goals, and these can be both academic goals and professional goals. Since this is a scholarship, let's start by focusing on your scholarly goals. You want to get a certificate? Do you want to get a degree and move on to a four-year degree? Do you want to get a four-year degree and move on to a master's or a doctoral? These are things that you want to mention in terms of your academic goals. You can also focus on your professional goals. Once you've achieved your academic goals, what do you see yourself doing professionally? Do you want to pursue a career that goes with your major? Do you want to go with a career that is your major and also has been a passion of your life? So these two goals, first of all, is what you want to get in. Second, how is this money going to help you achieve your goals here at HCC? Try to draw a direct connection between this scholarship, your areas of interest, and your potential for success. Remember, scholarship is an investment in your potential. So you want to show that it's worth their investment in you and what you want to do with this money and with this education. Third, talk about yourself. You have stories to tell, so tell these stories. But you need to tell the stories that are going to be most effective. Look for examples that show your ability to maintain and focus on your goals and to persevere through hardship. Think of it this way. It's the old iceberg idea. The story that you tell is going to show a deeper foundation of who you are, the goals and principles that you live by, and how those things are going to go through your academic life and through your professional life. Another example of a place you might start is with your highest highs or your lowest lows. Maybe you have 2, 4, 6, use as many as you want initially, but again, go back to the idea of the iceberg. Which of those examples is going to be the best one that shows who you are and what your core principles are? If you start with these three core elements, you'll have a really good foundation with which to begin this essay. Style and grammar and content matter. So be sure to visit the William Dwight Jr. Writing Center in Donahue 238. This is a walk-in service. You don't have to make appointments. The majority of the tutors who work in the Writing Center, almost all of them have written scholarship and transfer essays. So when you come in, they're going to know the things that you need to put into this essay. They're also going to know all of the grammatical and stylistic elements that will make this a successful essay. The Writing Center will be providing scholarship essay workshops, and these will be posted in Week at a Glance. The most important thing with these types of essays is to start them early and let them sit like a good wine in a barrel. Give yourself a chance to go back to this essay multiple times to refine it, to add, to take out. You can come by the Writing Center and work with the tutors at any point during this process. Most importantly, good luck and get started now.